Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using the Not Your Mother's Naturals. It's called the Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter. I think I said it right. So I'm gonna be using now this shampoo. So this shampoo, it's no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no gluten, no nothing. So that's actually really good. Okay guys, so my hair is completely wet as you can see, and I'm gonna use now this shampoo. Alright, I'm gonna wash this and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using from Not Your Mother's Naturals. I'm gonna be using the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom. So this is a butter mask. It's a deep conditioner with antioxidant to help restore damaged hair. So I decided to skip the conditioner and give it a try to this because I heard good things about this. Another particular thing that I like about this mask is that if you are in a hurry and you just need to, it's like a wash and go. This actually is not like the typically deep conditioner hair mask that you leave in your hair between 10-15 minutes. I like it because it's only 2 to 5 minutes. So you just leave it in your hair 2 to 5 minutes and that's it. Then rinse and you continue your wash. Perfect if you are in a rush and you just want to do a deep conditioner treatment. If you want to do like a hair mask but you don't have the time, this is actually perfect for you. So let's see how this works. Okay, it's very thick. So I just finished applying the deep mask. I'm just gonna leave it for 5 minutes and I will be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be using the curl defining detangler. So now I'm going to be using the Curl Defining Combing Cream. This gives you an intense softness plus it's a frizz-free curl retention. Also, it's no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Alright guys, so these are my final results using the Your Mother Natural products. I believe these are amazing results. For those who are new to my channel, you should know that I love doing the finger coiling technique. This time I did not use the finger coiling technique. I decided to only do the scrunch technique. I actually diffused my hair like 90%. I have the volume that I like. I have the definition that I love. So yeah, these are my results. I am very excited, you guys. What do you guys think? Have you used this product before? If you have used this product before, please let me know. If you have any other question, let me know. I will answer you the questions. But guys, I really love these results. I am so surprised that only with one product, one styling product, and not doing the coiling technique, I got these results, and I love them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you on the next time.